Alright, my G, so after I took off the wheel shroud, which is the cover, took off the undercover to the car, took off the belt, took off the coolant reservoir, the windshield wiper reservoir, 2 intakes, oil tube, engine bracket, turbo tube, motor mounts, upper timing cover, lower timing cover, crankshaft coiling. Timing chains still have to come off, tensioners and guides, but imagine this moving really fast. That's that rattle, that's that slap, you know, so this is good. They replaced that.